Discover your ultimate inflatable adventure companion. Step into effortless boating with the 11-foot Saturn boat, our best-selling inflatable that combines premium quality, unbeatable durability, and true versatility. Designed for those who crave both adventure and reliability, this model transforms every outing on the water into an experience worth remembering. Built from premium German Haytex PVC with reinforced polyester, featuring heat-welded seams in a fiberglass reinforced transom, the boat delivers strength and resilience that stands up to any challenge. Its 1,100 denier fabric resists tearing, tension, and wear, so your boat stays as tough as your adventures demand. Whether you're cruising with family, exploring hidden coves, or heading out for a serious fishing trip, the boat adapts to your needs. Comfortable seating for up to 5 people, or 3 to 4 for maximum comfort, and compatibility with a 15 HP outboard motor make it a versatile companion for yachts, sailboats, or solo expeditions. Lightweight and easy to inflate, it makes setup and storage a breeze, so you can spend more time on the water and less time fumbling with equipment. Your SD330 is built for both adventure and safety. Double-layered tube bottoms, a rub-straight keel protector, and pressure-regulating safety valves provide peace of mind against rocks, sand, and rough surfaces. And with all-around splash guards, stainless steel D-rings, and extra ropes for anchoring, every trip is smooth, secure, and enjoyable.